Perfect. Hi guys, welcome to day 6 of Vlogmas. Today is the first of our, I think, three DIY Christmas gifts. Today, and I say gifts because this is an ornament, and I will be gifting it to anybody. Today, I am making melted snowman ornaments. This is not opening. There we go. Melted snowman ornaments. I tried to get plastic ornaments, but all they had were glass, and so I do expect these to break. Semi-stable. So for this DIY, you're gonna need an ornament, an empty ornament that you can take apart. Sorry, I thought I broke that already. I'm just gonna leave that there. Put that there. because I didn't want to go out and buy a whole bunch of random things, I just found some supplies. So you'll need, if you're only gonna make one, you're gonna need 2 small black beads. I will show you the supplies closer up. And about 3 smaller black, I think they're called perler beads. Obviously, you don't need to get the exact supplies. You can get anything. They're tiny. Any small black round objects. Beads, not beads. Buttons. I don't know what I called these earlier, but they're very clearly buttons. Buttons for the eyes, beads for the little stones. You know, 3 little stones that go down the chest. I've got some orange felt for the nose. Brown construction paper for the arms, like the sticks. I do have just some fabric. I'm gonna cut up a little string and make it like a scarf. And I've got Epsom salts for the snow. So let's just get right into it. Just need some type of funnel to get that into there. So if you guys don't have a funnel, you can do what I'm doing, because there's no way we're going to be using an entire sheet of brown construction paper for the arms. I think I'm only gonna make 2. I'll probably only make 1. I only need 1. I like to make 1 ornament a year. Last year we made the Vlogmas 2020 ornaments. I don't think we're gonna be doing that again this year. We may not. I think we're not going to. I need this to be a little bit smaller. There we go. I bought way too much Epsom salt. But I bought it from the dollar store, so it's not really going to waste. Should have grabbed like a little cup. I did get this idea off of the internet. It is not my own. But unfortunately, I don't know off the top of my head who created it. So I can't give them credit. Sorry. But I will have Ara put a link in the description. I'm not strictly following any DIY. I felt like it was self-explanatory as well. So, there we go. I have my Epsom salts. Kind of looks like it's a 1/3 full so far. So, I'm going to put that to the side, and I'm going to make my twigs. My little arm twigs. Probably should have drawn these out first. But we'll see. There we go. Nice. Turned out well. Let's see if they'll fit in here without getting squished. Oh, perfect. There we go. Oh, that one's gonna have a little bit of trouble. There we go. Okay, we're gonna leave that. I'm gonna cut up the felt now. I'm gonna start over. I didn't like that triangle. I like this. I like this size. There we go. In it goes. Done. Hopefully my beads fit. Oh, not my beads, my buttons. I keep calling them buttons, but they're beans. I keep calling them beads, but they're buttons. I don't know why I'm saying beans all of a sudden. And then 3 little perler beads. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. And the last thing is a little piece of fabric for a scarf. This is not my fabric. These are not my fabric scissors. So they're not as sharp. They get used for all of like my random daily things. I was trying to tell you guys about how we decided to film this year. And then I got distracted because I'm not very good at multitasking. But we decided to film a whole bunch of videos in advance because Ara's in grade 12, I have 2 jobs, and daily vlogs get really boring when, like, I work 7 days a week now. And Ara goes to school. I think she technically has Saturdays off, but obviously as a grade 12 student, I'm sure a lot of you out there are in grade 12 right now who are watching this. You never really have a day off with your scholarship and university applications. So I'm actually filming this. It's November 22nd right now. I have my phone beside me, so I will check. I will confirm. 23rd, November 23rd. I think we filmed 2 full vlogs and a partial one. Now is this too long? Too long is easy to fix. Got distracted again. It's the 23rd of November. I think we have like 4 more videos that we're gonna film in advance, and it just kind of makes it so you guys have like nice quality content to watch, and it's not just cleaning vlogs 24/7. If you like the cleaning vlogs, let us know. They're Ara's favorite thing to film. She would love to film more of those for you. She really would. But I just didn't want to subject you guys to that 24/7. Just didn't feel right. I'm actually gonna super glue this because I have super glue right here, and I think it'll look a lot better. This is an unnecessary part. I mean, the whole scarf is unnecessary to the project. Get my little things of super glue. Is this too thick? I think it is. I'm gonna cut it down a little bit too. What did we film? We filmed decorating on like the 12th of November. What else have we filmed? I know that I've filmed 1 Christmas craft fair. Oh, and shopping. Christmas shopping, yeah. So, because we were able to plan everything in advance, I knew that I was going to film this, and I know what the next, like, little DIYs that we're going to film. So we were able to go shopping for everything in advance, which was really nice. Last year was all so last minute. So last minute. And just not ideal for a busy life. We're not the busiest people in the world, but we're definitely not like just laying around all day with nothing to do. Let's hope I don't super glue my finger to my desk. Also, I don't think you're supposed to super glue like fabric in general. Yeah. Yeah. It probably has like a do not use fabric. Do not use this on fabric. Yeah, the writing's too small. I don't care. I suggest using hot glue for that, but the hot glue is in Ara's room. I'm clearly not in Ara's room. I'm in my room, and I just didn't want to walk over there and get it. Okay, this is drying. Oh no, it might not fit. I don't have tweezers that can fix that. Well, you know what? That is kind of adorable. That is kind of adorable. Okay. Today's DIY is finished.
Okay, there we go. Y'all kind of see the melted snowman idea. There's a bead. There we go. There's a third one. And the second one is right there. Yeah, so this is what it turned out as. And you know what? I think it's kind of cute. I like it. So I'm going to put it on my tree. I totally messed up the orientation there, but I'm going to put it on my tree.